Hi friends, how are you? As you can see, this phone number cannot be used for verification. I have to try more number enter, but it is not verification. And how to create this account? How to fix this problem? So let's start. And if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So now, friends, you have to first of all open settings your cell phone, and then friends scroll down. You have to find apps settings. You can see here apps management or settings. You can see in this options, select this options apps settings. After that you have to scroll down and find two applications, Google Play Store and Google Play Service. So after first of all you have to open Google Play Store, open settings, Google Play Store information, you can see here, and scroll down. After that you have to click storage. You can see here storage options in a banter tone, and you have to clear cache and clear data. You have to clear cache and clear data this Play Store application. When you clear data, after that you have to click delete it. After that you have to go back, and then next you have to Google Play Service, clear cache and clear data. Open Google Play Service, scroll down and open storage settings. You can see here clear cache of Google Play Service and manage storage. You can see here last options, clear all data. You have to clear and delete it. After that you have to go to mobile desktop. When you complete this process, after that you have to go back on mobile desktop and open Play Store apps. Do wait, it's loading, checking information for create Gmail account. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel. So now friends, create account, and for my personal use options, after that you have to input your name, first name and last name. When you enter first name and last name, after that you have to click next and do it. After that you have to input your date of birth, month and days. After that enter your year and select your gender. After that click next it and do it. It's loading. Friends, you can select given Gmail address. If you want to create own Gmail address, then you have to create own Gmail address. Input your Gmail address information. When you input your Gmail address information, after that you have to click next it. Now you have to input your password. When you enter your password, then click next. After that scroll down. You can see here Gmail account is created. Now you can see here, if you want to add number, you can add number, but I don't want to add number, and escape it. After that next, review your account information. You can use this email address to sign in later. So do it, privacy and terms. After that you have to click agree it. It's loading. So friends, your Gmail account creating successfully complete. You can see here. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos, and like my videos. So you can see here Google service. It's loading. After that you can see here Play Store open now.